Guys, so super exciting news. If you watched my last video, the after the mic of last week, you're probably like, why was she so busy? Why couldn't she, why couldn't she make videos? Well, Shannon and I adopted a puppy. Cute puppy videos. I don't need to see anything. I don't need to say anything else in these videos but that. The whole rest of this video will just be about the puppy. So I don't even need to speak. Pause it for a second from the cuteness just to tell you she knows tricks too. Cue video. She a boss. Gilda, sit. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Gilda. Who's a good girl? It's you. Was that a truck going by? Yeah.